Hi, today I'm doing an unboxing of the Freedconn T-Rex Bluetooth headset today. Well, it is a budget Bluetooth headset with some impressive specification, such as the 8-way inter-headset communication with a 1.5 kilometer range, 7 hours talk time, and 1 week standby time. Comes with noise cancellation, and you can use it while recharging this unit. It has a built-in FM radio, support 3.5 mm audio jack. It has the wired and wireless interphone connection over here. Okay, the problem is the menu of this unit doesn't say which version of Bluetooth that it support. It could be anywhere between version 3 all the way to version 4. But the thing is that since this unit support a long standby time of 1 week, it's likely to be version 4, since version 4 support low power standby capability. Well, some would say this is a knockoff of the Sena 20S. Well, let's take a look at a picture of a Sena 20S versus this. Well, yeah, they kind of look similar. One could easily mistake this as the Sena 20S from a distance. Well, the cheapest version of the Sena 20S costs about $269 US to up to $494 US from Amazon, and I got this unit for only $100 US. So it's pretty worth it. Hopefully it can live up to its specification. Well, if not, well, let's just say I'm a sucker for cheap products. Okay, let's take a look of what's inside this box. Okay, this is the T-Rex model. Okay, we have here is a menu, which is in both English and Chinese. A 2 years warranty card. Okay, this is the Bluetooth unit itself. Comes with a retractable antenna similar to the Sena 20S. It's the docking clamp. Okay, this docking clamp has connectivity function, as you can see here. There are contact points for connecting this Bluetooth headset directly. The problem with most budget Bluetooth headset is that the cable for the mic and speakers has to be connected directly to the headset, the Bluetooth headset itself, making it troublesome to disconnect and connecting the unit. And also through wear and tear, it could probably limit the lifespan of the unit itself. So this is a nice touch of having a docking clamp with connectivity function. Just hope this thing lasts. Okay, we have a Velcro strap. It's probably gonna use for the push to talk function. A speaker, a pair of speakers with a fixed mic. Some cables here. So it's actually two cables here. This will be a 2.5 mm to 2.5 mm jack connection. And this should be a, what is this? Okay, this is the handheld interphone control cable. So you push this button for any interphone cable connection to communicate with your rider. Let's put it here. And next we have the, okay, a standard micro USB cable. A USB charger, power adapter that's meant for my country, four Velcro straps, there should be a screwdriver, I just dropped it. So let's forget about that. And wait. Oh, okay. This is the 2.5 mm to 3.5 mm jack converter. And we have here is a flexible mic connector. This will be used for connecting the mouthpiece for a full face helmet. Whereas this, you can use it for the open face and modular helmet. So this is all the stuff that I have for this unboxing video. Okay, for the next video, the part 2 of this video, I'll be showing the installation of the Freedconn T-Rex Bluetooth headset on my modular helmet. Thank you for watching.